Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Alchemy Pay to accept crypto payments step by step clearly. To connect Alchemy Pay to accept crypto payments, begin by creating an account on the Alchemy Pay platform. Visit the Alchemy Pay website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in your personal information as required. Verify your email address through the link sent to your inbox. Log into your newly created Alchemy Pay account. Navigate to the dashboard once logged in. Locate the API Keys section on the left sidebar. Click on the Generate New API Key button. Name your API key appropriately for easy identification. Save the generated API key for future use. Next, proceed to your website or e-commerce platform where you want to accept crypto payments. Integrate Alchemy Pay into your website by installing the necessary plugin or extension. Follow the installation instructions specific to your platform to ensure proper setup. Once the plugin is activated, go to the Settings menu of the plugin. Input the API key you saved earlier into the designated field. Adjust any other settings according to your preferences, such as payment currencies and notification options. Save the changes made in the plugin settings. Now, test the integration by processing a small transaction. Ensure everything functions smoothly and that transactions are being recorded. If issues arise, refer to the troubleshooting section on Alchemy Pay's website. Lastly, promote your newly enabled crypto payment option to your customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.